Hello guys, welcome to our channel again, and this time we're going to bike check Marin Attack Trail 7, the 2016 version.
Wow!
Alright, let's check it out. This is the Attack Trail 7. It features the same hydroform aluminum alloy frame from the Attack 8. As for the drivetrain, it has a 1x10 Shimano SLX Shadow Plus RD and a Diori shifter. It comes with a 150mm rear suspension and a 160mm front suspension. It also has the Megura MT4 hydraulic brake. It also comes with a Trans X dropper post external.
It is currently equipped with a 27.5 2.35 tubeless wheelie tires. Handlebar is a Marin riser 35mm clamp with a 780mm width. As for the grips, it's the Marin locking. Stem, Marin 3D Forge alloy. Headset, FSA Orbit sealed cartridges bearing. As for the saddle, it's the WTB bolt comp. All in all, this is a beautiful all-mountain enduro mountain trail bike.